Hello and good morning. This is me, Alok Ranjan sir, from Sunbeam Convent School, and welcome to the online classes of Sunbeam Convent School for class 9th. Today we will start with a poem which is in the first chapter. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken, and the poet is Robert Frost. In the poem, the poet says or conveys a message. What are our choices? What decisions do we take in our daily life? This all thing depends on what we choose and what we have chosen. So, where do we lie up with our choices? In life, everybody gets a single choice or maybe many choices. We have to choose one, and it has to be the best or the right one, because nothing else would be left over rather than regret. In the poem, Robert Frost wants to say that we have to think upon, we have to analyze, we have to calculate every possible reason why to make a choice or which road is to be taken. Now, it's very simple, but Robert Frost is an American poet who writes insightfully. What do you mean by insightfully? Insightfully means his words are very simple, but they have a different meaning and a difficult one. The poetic device used in the poem is metaphor, where the roads have been symbolized as the choices of our life. In the very first title of the poem, it's written, "The Road Not Taken." Now, we also regret sometimes, why didn't we choose that path? Why didn't we go to that destination? This all depends and decides our future. And after we have chosen the one, we don't have anything left. So it's better to think upon before choosing any road. That means a choice. In the very first line, he says, "Two roads diverged in a yellow wood." Two roads diverged in a yellow wood means when you come across two choices, you have to think upon. You have to think which choice is to be made by you, what is to be chosen by you. You have to be wise enough to think about the pros and the cons of the choice you are making up or choosing up. We all get choices in our lives, and we all are well aware of it. But we take the shortest path where success is granted. We never ever try to create our own path. This is what Robert Frost wants to say. And the title makes it very clear, "The Road Not Taken." We often leave that path which is unclear, untrodden, where there is no path, which is invisible. These all things have been described in the poem The Road Not Taken. We come at a junction and we have two choices left. One is a very sure and success guaranteed. The other one is unclear. We are not sure what will we be getting in the end. So we leave it thinking that this is the wrong choice for us. But Robert Frost chose the road not taken. He knew that he would not be able to mend it up. Mend it up, that means to repair it up or come back to the point where he has again the two options or the two choices. He knew it. but he chose the road not taken, which was untrodden. He says that in the forest, in the yellow wood, he came across two roads. The one which was clearly visible, the another one was untrodden. Untrodden, that means it was not used up, or there was nobody to travel on it. This was the road less traveled by. We have to choose the road which is less traveled by, according to the poet. But mostly of us, what do? We don't think about the roads which are less traveled by. We often choose what others did and what others chose. This is the mistake of our life. We all should be well aware of what we are doing, what we are capable of doing. The road not taken is a clear message to all. Like in Three Idiots also, I always give examples. So in Three Idiots also, the same thing has been shown. Everybody wants to be an engineer, a doctor, or something which others have been. Nobody wants to choose a different path, and that's the different option. Now, this has been shown in the movie, and this is what we have been seeing in the movie. They have different choices, but they opt to be an engineer, and finally they realized their mistakes and they opted for the road which was less traveled by. That means they have an option now to choose whatever they wish to, what is their wish, what is their will. The two roads have been symbolized as the two choices of life, and Robert Frost has clearly declared it that he attained all the success by choosing the road less traveled by. That means the road which was not taken by many. So this is the summary of the second chapter, the poem, basically the road not taken from the first chapter. Now I'll again post a new video tomorrow. Thank you.